Hey folks, it's Edwin here from the TaxGPT team, and I'm here to bring you the What's New. And on today's iteration of What's New, we finally have support for CSV and Excel files within TaxGPT Research. Let me demonstrate. So here I'm going to go into a thread, and I'm going to try and upload a file. Whereas before, we only supported PDF, JPEG, and PNG, now you may notice the ability to upload spreadsheets. So here I'm going to attach an Excel file, and boom, it's been processed. Now, I do have a caveat. This will only work within TaxGPT Research and or other research threads. Matrix, Writer, and Entity still do not support this feature. Now, for some of you who were working with our Client Intelligence Center, you were experiencing timeouts for large documents. I'm happy to say that we have addressed these issues, and you should notice these fixes going into play on Monday. We appreciate you all using TaxGPT, and we love listening to your feedback, so any feedback is welcome. Have a great rest of your day.